This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB-Bo and Redbus.
Go MMT की शान.
दिस इज गो एमएमटी रेडियो और आज का थीम जो है हम गो एमएमटी की शान के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं एंड यस दैट इज द नेम ऑफ द शो टुडे. ये जो है ये शख्स जिन्हें आज शॉर्टलिस्ट करके यहाँ पर शो पर लाया गया है और मुझे लगता है नॉट ओनली हिज टीम बट इवन हिज सीनियर्स एंड मैनेजमेंट रियली लव हिम फॉर द वर्क एंड डेडिकेशन दैट ही हैज शोन. ही हैज ऑलरेडी बीन अवॉर्डेड द सुपर ट्रिपर ऑफ द ईयर. इट इज सार्थक सिंह ऑन द शो विथ मी टुडे ऑन गो एमएमटी की शान. माय नेम इज एनी. यू आर लिसनिंग टू गो एमएमटी Radio. Sarthak, so nice to have you on the show. Welcome.
Same here. So nice to be here.
Okay, how long have you been with the MMT?
I've been like 4.5 years at Make My Trip, 2 years as an intern, and 2.5 years as a full-time employee.
So this has been your first job?
Yeah.
Oh my.
I started working with MMT when I was in my college.
And you've stuck along, so you really love being in this place, huh?
Yeah, travel space.
Travel space, which means personally you love travel.
I'm a big-time traveler. I love traveling.
Oh my. So is it solo traveling or is it traveling with your partner or with your family, friends? What is it like?
So mostly traveling solo and with friends.
Well done. There's a lot more we've got to talk about. Of course, the fact that you've also been awarded the Super Tripper of the Year, that does call for a lot of dedication, commitment, and you've kind of put the job and put your work above you at some point in time. Also, we will touch upon this when we come back on the other side.
दिल्ली, गुड़गांव और नोएडा वालों, पासपोर्ट निकालो, बैग्स पैक करो क्योंकि अब फुकवक दूर नहीं. With Make My Trip Holidays, बस 5 घंटे में डायरेक्ट फ्लाइट फ्रॉम दिल्ली टू फुकवक. सोचो जरा, स्काई हाई केबल कार राइड, क्रेजी विंड वंडर्स, वाइल्ड सफारी पार्क, यूरोप स्टाइल सनसेट टाउन, ड्रीमी किस ब्रिज और धमाकेदार किस ऑफ द सी शो. फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स, कपल्स या किड्स, सबके लिए एक ही ट्रिप हिट है. फुकवक विद मेक माई ट्रिप हॉलिडेज. पैराडाइज बस 5 घंटे दूर. You can book directly on Holidays Packages funnel. Limited time period offer is live. Or write an email to fukwak.charter@makemytrip.com.
Be curious to know how things work. Be creative by constantly looking for newer, better ways of achieving results. Be genuine in your care, be it for your colleagues, customers, or business. Hi, I'm Deep, and you're listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
क्वार्टर प्लानिंग तो हो जाएगी, बट वीकेंड प्लानिंग कब करोगे दोस्त?
You serious?
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Go MMT की शान.
गो एमएमटी की शान है सार्थक सिंह जो कि आज मौजूद है मेरे साथ शो पर. ही इज बीन अवॉर्डेड द सुपर ट्रिपर ऑफ द ईयर. तो सार्थक, काफ़ी चीज़ें हैं एक जॉब के बारे में जो लोगों को पसंद आता है, पर आपको मुझे लगता है आउट ऑफ 5, 4 तो बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया है, विच इज़ वाई यू स्टक अराउंड एंड यू इंटेंड टू प्रॉब्ली कंटिन्यू.
Yeah, hopefully, yes.
What are these things that have been ticked off for you in a job that you find here at MMT?
Firstly, the bunch of problems that we are solving. Secondly, my team.
You simply love your job and that's really good. Now it's time for a Bollywood quiz. GK और Bollywood में आपने Bollywood चुना है. Big fan of Bollywood?
Yes.
Oh, चलिए. In which film does the iconic song Chaiya Chaiya play on a moving train?
I think Dil Se.
Yeah, that's correct. Which film
Yes.
stars Amir Khan and is set during British Raj, where villagers challenge their British rulers to a cricket match?
Lagan.
That is correct. Which famous 1975 film features the iconic characters Veeru and Basanti?
Sholay.
That is correct. In the romantic film Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, what is the name of Kajol's character? You know the scene where शाहरुख बुलाते हैं काजोल को in the end.
Oh yeah,
क्या आता हो? Yeah, see that scene just resonates with everyone because everyone
Yes,
watched it
yes.
so many times. कुछ नहीं तो रील्स में तो जरूर देखा है, इसीलिए नाम बहुत आसान है फिर याद रखना. Which famous Bollywood actress is known by the nickname Bebo?
Kareena Kapoor.
That is correct. शाहरुख खान की प्रोडक्शन कंपनी का नाम क्या है?
Red Chillies Entertainment.
That is correct. Which superstar then is called the king of Bollywood?
Shah Rukh Khan.
Clearly. महावीर सिंह फोगट, इनके ऊपर एक फिल्म आई थी, ये रेसलर है, ये 2016 की फिल्म है, आमिर खान लीड रोल प्ले कर रहे थे. What is the name of this film?
Oh, I remember the picture.
थोड़ा सा.
Dangal?
Yes, that is correct and well done. You have done pretty nice.
Good morning, Make My Trip. This is Vrinder Sehwag on your very own Go MMT radio. Get set, go.
Go MMT की शान.
सार्थक सिंह वैसे GoMMT की शान है क्योंकि ये जीते हैं सुपर ट्रिपर ऑफ द ईयर अवार्ड एंड आई थिंक देयर इज वेरी गुड रीजन व्हाई ही इज एक्चुअली एंडेड अप विनिंग दिस अवार्ड. सार्थक, टेल मी, आई नो यू आर बीइंग वेरी मॉडेस्ट बिकॉज आई ट्राइड गेटिंग अ लिटिल मोर आउट ऑफ यू एंड यू आर लाइक नो बिकॉज आई हैव गॉट अ गुड टीम एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट. आई वांट यू टू टेल मी व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज द रीजन दैट यू थिंक यू एंड योर टीम हैव एंडेड अप विनिंग दिस अवार्ड.
I think we bond pretty well. I don't think so. I can call them colleagues. I can call them my friends as well. And every weekend or every Friday we go out together.
Ooh.
I think that has kept us the strongest.
Oh, that's pretty cool. I think it's extremely important for a team to have the kind of bond and understanding so that when you are out to go after a goal and to achieve, you know, whatever it is that you have, whether it is weekly targets or monthly targets, you're all on the same page. मुश्किलें मेरा ख्याल है ज्यादा आती नहीं है क्योंकि आप एक दूसरे को समझते हो अच्छी तरीके से और काम को भी अपने अच्छे से समझते हो. And each one has that kind of energy and commitment that they bring to the table, right?
Yes, correct.
अनबन होता है जो कि होगा ही क्योंकि you know different people have different views. तब आप कैसे उसे सॉर्ट करते हो?
I think discussion से हो जाता है. अनबन तो होता ही है, but I think the larger picture is solving a problem rather than arguing about a problem. So we all get together and then just focus on the problem and solve it.
So there is never loud screams coming out of your cabin or from your team. It's just conversations mostly.
Yeah, whenever we are loud, we are fun. It's not controversial. Yeah.
तो मुझे बताइए, आपको भी ट्रैवल पसंद है, इसीलिए मुझे लगता है it's where your love kind of turned into something of a profession and it even became better because it doesn't feel like you're working when you are in office. It just feels like you're having a whole lot of fun. Is that the kind of love that you have for travel?
I think yes, travel has always been there in my life since the very beginning. I love traveling, and while I work and working on solving travel related problems is the possibly nearest I can get to travel while being in office.
When was the very first time that you actually set out for a trip? I'm sure it was with your parents when you were very young. Do you have memories of that trip?
We'd gone to Kerala. That is the first trip that I remember pretty consciously. So there I remember we had to many places, had South Indian food, and it was a fun trip with family.
Nice. तो उसके बाद क्या आप केरला गए हो अपने दोस्तों के साथ या खुद?
उसके बाद तो नहीं जा पाया मैं, but yeah, it's on my bucket list to go again to Kerala.
Oh, good. So amongst the places that you visited in India, let's talk about in India. आपके लिए बिल्कुल खास कौन सी जगह रही है अब तक के ट्रैवल में?
I think Kashmir. Kashmir has I think Kashmir has always been the most relaxing and the most peaceful place that I've been to.
And I heard is extremely beautiful. Is that true?
Yeah.
What about international travel? Which place have you been to? Which places? And which one kind of really was your maybe favorite so far?
I've been to UK, Europe, Sri Lanka. I'll really loved Scotland, and second London, of course, as a city, and UK in general.
But Scotland tops the list.
Yeah, Scotland tops the list, 100%.
Oh, good. Now let's talk about the bucket list places that you still have to visit or are planning to visit. एक international बताइए, एक Indian बताइए.
I think Spain
Nice.
in international, and in India I have not been to Northeast yet.
Ah.
Whole lot of Northeast, so yeah, I'll be planning a trip very soon there.
रिज तुम में है नहीं और अपना बढ़ा लो ना, स्किविडी सा अपना है ये गो एमएमटी रेडियो। ओहायो में हमने बनाया, 6-7 years चलेगा। लबूबू लेके बैठो, माचा पी लो, ड्रिप पहनो और सुनो गो एमएमटी रेडियो।
So what are you guys talking about?
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Go MMT की शान।
The last segment is where we are at right now of Go MMT की शान, और जो शान Go MMT के बने हैं सुपर ट्रिपर ऑफ द ईयर अवार्ड जीत कर है सार्थक सिंह on the show with me, online products department based out of Gurgaon. So this is the last game, wrong answers only. Are you ready for it?
Yes.
The rapid fire round.
What's the secret to the award you won, Super Tripper of the Year award?
Laziness.
What is the best drink to have on a rainy day?
To be in office.
Okay. What is 5 plus 5?
60.
Can you give me an animal name with 3 letters?
Raj.
Oh, okay. 3 letters तो है पर animal नहीं है. Good. I like that. Something you lose when you get older.
Fingers.
What is the capital of Nigeria?
Delhi.
Okay. Who is the Prime Minister of UK?
Modi.
Okay. An animal with horns.
Dog.
Okay. A medieval weapon.
Machine gun.
Oh, good. An animal with a long tail.
Cat.
Good. What do you do with a laptop?
Play cricket.
Good. And the last question, what do you see in a mirror?
Sleeping with myself.
All right, I'll give that to you. This was fun, the conversation with you, Sarthak, and also at the same time, full of appreciation for you and the work that you do, not only for yourself, but for your entire team and for MMT. So congratulations once again for being Go MMT ki shaan.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It was nice talking to you.
Sarthak, all the very best with whatever dreams you are tying to yourself for your career here at MMT.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Go MMT ki shaan, Sarthak Singh, online products department based out of Gurgaon, on the show with me today. Well, with that, it is a wrap. I will be back on Friday with Filmy Friday. Till then, keep traveling and stay cheerful.
दिल्ली, गुड़गांव और नोएडा वालों, पासपोर्ट निकालो, बैग्स पैक करो, क्योंकि अब फुकुओक दूर नहीं। With Make My Trip Holidays, बस 5 घंटे में डायरेक्ट फ्लाइट फ्रॉम दिल्ली टू फुकुओक। सोचो जरा, sky high cable car ride, crazy wind wonders, wild safari park, Europe style sunset town, dreamy kiss bridge और धमाकेदार kiss of the sea show। फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स, कपल्स या किड्स, सबके लिए एक ही ट्रिप हिट है। फुकुओक विद मेक माई ट्रिप हॉलिडेज, पैराडाइज बस 5 घंटे दूर। You can book directly on Holidays Packages funnel. Limited time period offer is live. Or write an email to fukuok.charter@makemytrip.com.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB Bo, and Redbus.